Okay, so I got my new Rythmik FV15HP in the mail today, and I'm gonna set it up. This thing is supposed to be a beast, so I'll let you know how it sounds in comparison to my SVS PB-1000, which looks like a total baby compared to this subwoofer here. So, step one, get the baby subwoofer out of here. Step two, get this thing unboxed. Step three, plug this sucker in and use AccuEQ to set up my room, to calibrate all my speakers. And step four, see if it works. All right, let's get this thing unboxed. They have some nice instructions here on the box on how to take it out. Nice printout that they included for me here, so that's good. On how to set this thing up. I've already reviewed this. They have this on their website as well. Tip this. Oh my goodness. Found a box here. Another box here. That's good. Feet. The power cable. So that's great. Okay, so this is what this beauty looks like. Pretty basic looking, but it's nice. Okay, this is just super thin material, so I can't let my cat get to that. And then it looks like one of the ports is already plugged, so that's probably how I'll have it set up. Nice heavy duty rubber feet, that's good. And the power cord plugs in here. Now I want to set this next to my SVS PB-1000 and show you the difference in size. This here is my SVS PB-1000 with a 10-inch woofer, and this is the new Rythmik FV15HP with a 15-inch woofer. Big difference in size there, folks. There's probably going to be a big difference in output as well. Okay, I got everything all plugged in now, and as you can see, there are a lot of options on the back of this sub. I used all the recommended settings that came with the sheet that Rythmik supplied, so I've got it all set up the way they said, and now I'm going to run the setup on my AVR. Okay, I think I'm ready to run the room EQ now. I have my mic in the sweet spot where I want to sit, the best listening position, and I'm gonna run this stuff and see how it works. So that was kind of weird, it just went to a blue screen. I'm guessing that means it's finished. Let's plug in Edge of Tomorrow and see if it works. Okay, here's the opening scene from Edge of Tomorrow. Let's see how it does.
I'm not sure if we're even on the air. This is a series of explosions.
This is a major incident.
Yeah, that was awesome.